What's up guys, Felix here, aka Felix the Creator. In this YouTube tutorial I will show you how you can recreate 3 trippy music video effects in Adobe Premiere Pro only. So let's start right now and jump into the timeline. Okay, let's recreate the first effect. Go to the effects here on the left side and search for the lens distortion effect. You will find the lens distortion effect under the video effects tab in the distort folder. Now drag and drop the lens distortion effect onto your clip. Go to the left side here to the effect controls and change the curvature. Okay, and as you can see in the plus area you can create a fisheye effect, and in the minus area you can create a stylish curvature effect. Okay, let's say we bring the curvature to -85, but we won't apply this effect on his face and on his body. So go to the effect controls and select here the ellipse mask and click on inverted. And now make this guy visible here without the curvature effect. And go back to the effect controls and change the mask feather. Let's make it a bit bigger. Yeah, and as you can see, we have created this trippy music video effect fast. The only thing you have to do is to use the lens distortion, change the curvature, and use a mask tool for the object to step up the whole thing. Okay, let's start with the next effect. Bring your cursor to the next clip, go to the project window and click here on the button to create a new item and select the adjustment layer. Make sure that the video settings match with your sequence settings. Okay, here full HD, perfect. Hit on OK. Now you will find the adjustment layer here in the project window and drag and drop the adjustment layer above your clip. Drag the adjustment layer here on the side, bring it to the same length. Now go back to the effects and search for the HLS color balance. You will find this under the video effects tab in the color correction folder. Drag and drop the color balance HLS effect onto the adjustment layer. Bring the cursor here to the beginning of the clip. Jump here to the effect controls on the left side and set a first keyframe here at hue. Bring the cursor here to the end of the clip and change the hue by dragging this here to the right side. Yeah, multiple times here to something like this. Okay. Yeah, and within a few clicks we have created a spinning light situation here in post-production. Okay, now let's jump to the next effect. We're using this clip here. In the first step we want to duplicate this clip. You can hold the Alt key on your keyboard and drag this clip above. And now we want to create a clone effect with some cool color lights. So make sure that you select the clip here above, go to the effect controls and change the blending mode here to lighten. Now you can change the position right here, okay. Now use the free Draw Bezier tool and create a mask here. Go back to the mask right here and change the mask feather. Now make sure that we don't have this border here anymore, this edge here on the right side. Bring it a bit back here, yeah, to something like this. Okay, awesome. Okay, now we have created this stylish clone ghost effect right here. Now let's bring it to the next level by selecting the clip again. Go back to the effects and again search for the HLS color balance effect. Drag and drop this one on top of this clip and change the hue to a nice looking color. Yeah, and as you can see, we have created this stylish trippy effect fast here, this clone ghost effect in Adobe Premiere Pro without any plugins. And if you like these kind of videos, make sure to watch one of my latest favorite videos where I show you a zoom through effect. This is a really nice one, so make sure to click on the next video, and see you soon, Felix the Creator.